Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Before we jump straight into the pair of sneakers I have for you today, I just want to remind you the subscribe is right over there. And of course, if you are new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you came and joined the team. You get to hang out with me on a regular basis. We're doing all kinds of crazy sneaker reviews and like upcoming sneakers, general sneaker content. Now, with all that out of the way, I bring you the Jordan 1 Chicago Satin Snake. Blam, and here we have the beautiful Nike box in all red, and of course that black Nike logo with the swoosh right underneath. So the funny thing about me buying these was that I completely forgot that they released. So on the day that they released, I completely forgot, and I only reminded myself when I went on the Nike sneakers app and I saw they had already released and sold out. Luckily, I managed to get this pair from Sneakers and Stuff, so I'm super happy about that. Let me pull out the shoes and show you what we are working with. The beautiful Satin Snake Air Jordan 1 Chicago. So out the box, you're getting two sets of additional laces. You get a red pair and a white pair. I like the black, to be honest. I like the look of the black. I think it goes well. However, I could definitely go for the white. The red might be a little bit too much considering this has a red tongue. I'm not actually too sure how limited these were. A couple people said that they were pretty hard to get. You know, obviously because I wasn't really on top of it with the release of these. So yeah, let me know whether you really struggled or how the release was for you. I'll be very interested to know. But generally speaking, the Jordan 1 silhouette in pretty much most colorways shot up right around the same time as that The Last Dance documentary that was on Netflix. Specifically the Chicago colors, or the red colorways predominantly of the Jordan 1 silhouette. Those shot up in price. I guess they were relatively limited. So these released on the 6th of August for that same Jordan 1 retail price of £135, or if you are out in the US, these go for $170. So these are definitely a little bit different, of course, these being the satin snake skin. Satin, which there are some elements of satin material. I guess snake print would probably be the most accurate way to describe this. And then, of course, your regular leather that you find on the rest of the sneaker. And I actually really like the feel of them in hand. It's very silky. Of course, the satin material that you find on this sneaker feels really nice. And the leather feels really nice too. I like the feel of it. It is slightly kind of glossy. Yeah, it just feels smooth. And I really like that on this pair. So of course we're going to start over at the toe box, and of course you're getting a nice white leather perforated material for that toe box, and around for that mudguard you're getting the red leather material. So of course emulating that classic Chicago colorway. As you move up to the laces, it comes with the black as well as what I showed you in the box, so the white and the red. And just underneath that you get the first element of this satin material, which starts with this tongue. Now I think it's pretty subtle. I mean, it's not a massive difference. Along with the tongue coming in that satin material, you also get it for around this ankle area as well as the insole. So when you're putting your foot in, you just slide right in. So the ankle area is of course really nicely padded. I really like it. And the medial and lateral portions do come in that white color blocking, which I think of course is really nice, the Chicago colorway. So the Nike Swoosh comes in a black color and is made up of this kind of snake skin, snake print material referenced in the name of this sneaker. And of course that moves to the back where you find that same snakeskin material on the heel counter, as well as this higher portion just around the ankle area. This is again going to be something that's quite polarizing, separating people from who likes this print and who really doesn't. I kind of fall in the category of I actually quite like it. I think it actually adds an extra dimension to this pair, which I think it goes well with this kind of deep red color and of course the satin material. Now over up where you find the Jordan Wings logo, as on any other Jordan 1 silhouette, you find on this pair it is debossed into the top and just kind of blends really nicely into that snakeskin material. The midsole comes in a solid white color, and as we flip it over to the bottom we get some more of that black coming in the exact same traction pattern that you're going to find on any other Jordan 1 silhouette. I was actually quite surprised getting it in hand. Of course the mix of satin and snakeskin I wasn't too sure on before getting this sneaker. However, I really like this silhouette. And of course, I'm not going to get into comparing it to other Jordan silhouettes. I feel like we can just go forever picking out our favorite colorways, how this kind of stacks up to a Chicago colorway, whatever. What I'm saying is this color blocking looks really good, and it just screams Jordan 1. However, of course, because it does come in women's sizing, a lot of the people with larger sizes are going to have to miss out on this sneaker. Now, as for sizing and fit, of course, if you have tried on a Jordan 1 silhouette, then go your true to size. For this being a women's colorway, there's nothing changed. I don't feel there is, at least from my point of view. This does fit to my true to size, even though it is women's. And another thing to kind of keep in mind when you're wearing this, you will kind of feel that satin material. You kind of feel a little bit of slippage when you're walking on it, especially if you have new socks. Just something to keep in mind when you're wearing this sneaker. That pretty much wraps it up for the Jordan 1 Chicago Satin Snake Skin. Let me know what you think about these. And of course, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting and subscribing. I'll catch you in the next video, but until then. Rouge Jim Blanc Nord. Oh, that's a different language. I always do that.